We're back. It is about that time. Just looking at the daily, it looks like we are still going lower. We're still dumping a little bit more, digging deeper inside of this monthly fair value gap, sweeping internal liquidity. Not really sure when we want to see bullish price action coming out of this. We do have, goddamn, shit, about $70 of drawdown left, which means if PA allows us one trade, you feel me? That's about it. I ain't gonna lie. We got about one trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie. We got about one of them. I do expect to kind of see some bullish price action, or my bad, bearish price action continuing lower. If anything, we might try and fill this gap. I do kind of want to see, we might come down to equilibrium of this whole range, which is just filling the entire monthly gap. There is a resting swing low here, so it is very possible we can come down and sweep some kind of higher time frame session liquidity. Did just sweep Asia and London lows. So I mean, if anything, it does seem like we just tapped equilibrium of the monthly fair value gap, so I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of just, this is probably at best where we want to see our reaction come out of after this sweep of London lows inside of this monthly gap. We are getting a pretty nice displacement through this candle. I want to see how this 15-minute closes. Like if we close good body closures through London lows, I'd want to then see what kind of reaction we get out of that as well. And then this 5 minutes about to close bearish also. You know what I'm saying? That shit ain't bad, my boy. That shit ain't bad, my boy. I mean, if we're really thinking about it, bro, this is just crazy bearish PA. Like I kind of, at this point, if we respect this 5 minute, like we did just displace through this, and unless we see another displacement through this large candle, and we see price action just completely respect this, like we didn't even get a manipulation leg, so we're ignoring all this. If we close and then respect this to go lower, our targets are probably gonna be 50% at this swing low, and I'd be looking for shorts until we get there, because like, come on, bro, what is this price action? Like, I mean, clearly it's bearish. Like, for being objective, we're making lower lows and lower highs, so I kind of want to see a continuation of that, but it looks like we can easily just keep trickling down lower until we get to 50% of this range, just because this expansion move was pretty large. It wouldn't be surprising if we saw some type of like retracement, which is clearly what the hell we're getting. So seems pretty up our alley type shit, you know? But I really just want to look for this on the 5 minute, because if this fair value gap does get respected, we're going to see a inverse, 1 minute inverse out of there. And then we'd be able to take shorts down to this swing low would be our first target. And then we only have one fucking micro. So it's like, we're just targeting that, you know what I'm saying? And then we build our way up brick by brick again. You feel me? You feel me? Hey though, y'all was really messing with this video, bro. My journey so far, I appreciate y'all tapping into this video, man, because it honestly is truly difficult. It is truly difficult to come out here every day and talk about how I just blew another freaking account and how hard it is for me to stay consistent trading, especially during August price action. Like, what are we doing? But I appreciate the love and support. You know, we gonna be back at it. The wins are gonna come, so I'm not really worried about that. And all we can do is just be the best trader we can be right now. So I just want to say thanks to y'all for supporting your boy a little bit out here in these trading streets. You feel me? We're probably not even gonna get that retracement. That's what it's looking like. Just trickle down lower. We probably tapped the 3 minute. Oh, we missed the 3 minute and the 2 minute. Yeah, we're just bearish. We're not even getting retracements, and we're just dumping further. Yeah, we might just be bearish, my boy. We did accumulate. I mean, we did just manipulate, and we're inside of this 4-hour gap. I kind of want to see us go lower. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't want to trade it. I don't want to trade a bullish price. I don't want to trade bullish. I don't want to have a bullish trade coming out of this 4-hour with this much volume pushing lower. So I kind of, yeah, I don't want to look for longs unless we kind of get a push higher and then a retrace into a 5 minute and then bullish PA back up to these highs. You feel me? It's a pretty clean day. We have a bias to go higher, and we know what we want to see if we want to go higher, but we also know what we want to see if we want to go lower as well. At this point, we are kind of just waiting. We got to see the reaction out of this. That would really kind of determine what you know, what we're trying to do here, because in about 9 minutes, we are about to be in a macro time. So you never know, you know, I don't know. I just got to see where liquidity is resting. I'm not going to lie. Also, y'all boys, I do want to say we did just hit 100 subs. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much. I know it's only the first step in our journey. For everyone who subbed before 100 subscribers, thank you. You can now say you were here before 100. So now everyone who subscribes after 100 can't say they were here before 100, but they can say they were here before 1,000. Be ready, bruh, because we not going nowhere, bruh. We ain't going nowhere. Y'all better buckle up now, because y'all gonna be seeing me a lot more. I promise you that. 40 seconds left. Probably we're definitely gonna tap into this 5 minute. Still inside of this 4 hours. So like that's the only thing about it though too, because we are displacing out of this 4 hour and 7 a.m. is about to open. So a new 4 hours is about to open. We want to see like the open, high, low, and then the close. Like new macro time just open. We might not even get the tap, bro. Did we tap a 3 minute? Sure did. And that's probably what we're going to be respecting here. Because I'm not trading, like, I'm not trading no 3 minute fair value gap continuations, bro. Like, what are we doing? Even though this looks pretty good, like we just got an inverse here, I need some with a little more of an imbalance, in my personal humble opinion, if I do say so myself. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're about to get this pushed down too. That's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Let me know if y'all took this in the comments, bro. If y'all took this setup in the comments, let me know, bro, because that wasn't bad. Nice 40-point stinger. For real, but that's just not what we're looking for. It looks like we're probably just gonna have to wait for this 15 minute to close and then have the new 4 hour open, tap into our gap, and then give us a little bit of volume pushing lower out of that 15 minutes. Now that we already took out the lows, I don't really expect to see. I'd have to either see the inverse going lower, or we inverse this 5 minute, get a close on the 15 minute in the next 5 minute, because the next 5 minute candle that closes is going to confirm this 15 minute big ass bearish gap that we just broke structure with. And then we'd have to catch continuations lower off of that. But for now, we got to just wait and see how we react out of this 5 minute. Finally got our 5 minute tap. It's about time. Now we play the waiting game. Need to see that get inversed. Let me see what ES is doing. Oh, we already got in this motherfucker. ES is already inside of this 15 minute. Okay, so bearish SMT on NQ could very possibly edge this. Very well possibly edge this. I don't expect us to necessarily. We are getting... Oh, we just got our inverse. I'm tripping. Let's go ahead and sell. All right. We got our entry model. I think we're good. This guy, I'm over here putting in like, what the hell? All right, but yeah, this is what we want to see. We're short on NQ right now. Bare minimum to these lows. I do want to see a continuation lower, just because it looks like we are about to edge this 15 minute. ES did already tap this 15 minute, and we got an inverse going lower. Both assets are in a place to distribute right now. So I do want to see us kind of have that distribution leg down lower. Don't mind the RR. The RR is complete dog water, but we will be targeting a nice little 1-to-1 type shit. You know, this will be our break even right here at these internal lows, because even though we edge this, oh, we might have an SMT here. Oh shit. Yeah, bearish SMT on NQ, never came above this high, and ES did tap that 15 minute and we did not. So if anything, we do want to take profit, you know, target a nice little 1-to-1. The 5 minute inverse is one of the highest probability fair value gaps to trade out of, especially once you get the inverse and you get a strong displacement through the candle like this. I don't really expect us to, not even expect. Price should not run all the way back up to these highs, just because we already got protected swings on ES and we're in a place to distribute lower on ES as well. The fact we are not distributing lower right now is kind of a sign that we do want to kind of go higher, but I guess it's a sign that we just gotta wait and see what happens. Type shit. I'm completely okay with this setup. This is going to be my one trade for the day, whether it wins or loses. Because if this doesn't win, then, you know, Monday PA is definitely gonna be on our ass. So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, realistically, this stop loss is about the rest of our account right here. The $37 left. We get another push higher, we're probably gonna get stopped out before we get to our actual buy stop, which is why I'm saying it's gonna be our one trade for the day. So you know what I'm saying? That's why it's very important there's 1 minute holds here. A lot of indecision in the markets. Buyers do seem to be in control, though. You know, I'm not really worried about it, man. Even if we do get stopped and it plays out, it's good mental reps for us to know that we took the right trade. You know, price action just wasn't in our favor today. The probabilities were not in our favor today. More indecision in the markets. Jeez, we might as well just get this push higher and get it over with, my boy. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, we might as well at this point. In the next minute, your boy does have to go. So whether we get this push down or not, it looks like we might, depending on how we close here. I do have to go. And then I will just play the rest of the trade recording for you guys. Y'all still will get to see how this goes for us. All right. I'm gonna let y'all know. Subscribe if you're new. If you don't subscribe, your mom's a hoe. I'm just playing. Let me know if you know where that meme's from. Peace.
Fuck!